Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So today is namin sa MacArthur. So ilaagta mo. Let's go! So guys, we're sa Gaston Park here. Look, ang daming punuan. Ang daming pwede nyong upuan up. And more lights. Gumawa sila ng kubo there. Then, I don't know, unsa pang ginawa nila. Nag-iikot tayo dito sa MacArthur, of course. Maraming mga flowers. And I don't know what is this. I think this is fountain. I don't know. Ang daming mga magaganda. This is MacArthur. Look at her trees. Ang daming lights. Yun na sila yung mga vendor doon. I don't know kung ano bang appliances, guys. Wine rock. I think made of wine rock. Yata yan, guys. I don't know what is that. May statue siya sa taas. I don't know what is this. I think it's mga bayani yata to. Look. Dito tayo makaka. Look. I love this chocolate orange. So, here. Hanggang dito lang siguro siya, guys.
Ako man.
Saka tayo ikot nito. Ay, look! What is this? A school. There's a school here. Na hindi ginagamit. Ito ba to? Ito daw. Ano yung school na hindi ginagamit? Let's go. And what is this? Here? Dito siguro sila nagbebenta, guys. I think so. Then dito kakain. Like that. Marami siguro nila binibenta here. Pag nagutom kayo, pwede naman kayo dito kumain. So, let's go. Let's go. What's up? I don't know what this is. I think ito ang CR nila. Oh my god. Ito one. Oh my god. Hindi na tayo pupunta dito. Layo na. Let's go. Pwede din kayo dito mag-tambay. This is the provincial capital of Misamis Oriental, guys. Ang laki niya. Sobrang laki. I think dito nag-stay yung mayor, of course. I think so. Maybe. Yeah. And then this place. This so that's all, guys. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching.